Come to the sixth one of the previous example, that is for some value of x, that is x is equal to minus 1. So for the x is equal to minus 1, p of x greater than or equal to 0, that is equivalent to minus 1 greater than 0, which is false. Consider r of x. R of x is x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. That is equivalent to 1 plus 3 minus 4 equal to 0, which is true. If p is false, r is true, hence r of x implies p of x is false for x equal to minus 1. Therefore, if it is false for any one value of the x, then the entire statement will becomes false. For all x comma, r of x implies p of x is false if it is false for any one value. Therefore the truth value is 0. Therefore the truth value is 0. Now consider an example. Negate and simplify the following. First one is, there exists an x, p of x or q of x. We have to find the negation of the statement. So negation of the statement is negation of there exists an x, comma, p of x or q of x. That is equivalent to negation of there exist becomes for all x, comma, negation of p of x or q of x becomes negation for all x. Negation of p of x or q of x is negation of p of x and negation of q of x. That is the negation of there exists a p of x or q of x. Come to the second one. For all x of p of x and negation of q of x. Find the negation of the following. So negation of the statement becomes negation of for all x comma p of x and negation of q of x. Negation of for all x becomes there exists an x. Now negation of p of x and negation of q of x becomes negation of p and negation of q is negation of p of x or negation of q of x is q of x. Therefore negate the followings. Negation of there exist becomes for all. Negation of p of x or q of x becomes negation of p of x and negation of q of x. For all x, negation of for all x becomes there exists an x. Negation of p of x and negation of q of x is negation of p of x or double negation of q of x becomes q of x.